Accelerate drying, prevent water spots, and save time with Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wet Wax. This highly active, one-step formula delivers instant water repelling, high-gloss shine, and chemical-resistant protection with super hydrophobic synthetic wax and SiO2 polymers. Compatible with all conventional wash products, Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wet Wax comes in to aid in the drying process after washing a vehicle. With the car still wet, mist 1 to 2 sprays of Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wet Wax on one exterior panel at a time, and notice how the hydrophobic formula already makes the water begin to disperse. Follow up with a clean, dry, microfiber drying towel, spreading product evenly throughout the panel being worked on and wiping until dry. Continue this process from higher areas to lower areas for the remainder of hard exterior surfaces to coat the entire car, periodically flipping to fresh sides of your microfiber drying towel or replacing the towel as it becomes too wet or saturated. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wet Wax, the one-step solution that saves time and adds long-lasting shine and protection to your vehicle after every wash.